I'll be installing these toe kicks underneath the bottoms of the cabinets. And then I'm going to be coming around over here, and I've got all my hardibacker for my tile. I've picked a tile. It's called Lincoln Gun Stock Cold Steel tile. It's got like a kind of like a textured appearance. And then I'm going to go with a DeLorean gray grout. Like that. 934 DeLorean gray. So today, I'm going to go ahead on and I'm going to get all these fucking loose nails up out of the floor. I'm going to go ahead and put these toe kicks in. I'm going to caulk some stuff around these cabinets. And get that refrigerator out of here and get that Hardi board down. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to get to it today or not. Actually starting to lay tile, but we're also cutting the door down for the bathroom. It has to be cut down a little bit. And a little bit of recommendation for that. When you're cutting a door down, one of these doors like this, you know, strike your measurement on there, put a nice thick heavy line, and then put some duct tape over top of it. Not duct tape, but some paper tape or some painter's tape or something like that before you run a skill saw across it, because it'll keep it from chipping the edges. Makes a nice clean cut. Alright, so right here, we've got wires coming up through the floor at an angle, and it's in the footprint of the piece of baseboard that I need to put there. And it's a box up there, the breaker box. So what I had to do was cut this piece of fucking old trim and notch that shit out at the back so that it goes over top of the fucking wires. And instead of nailing it, I'm gonna caulk the motherfucker in place with some vinyl adhesive caulking. And that's how we're gonna do that. So we had to make a crazy looking cut. I just took my miter saw and fucking held this up at an angle and fucking cut that fucking gout out of there so that it fits right over top of that shit. We'll go ahead and glue that in there and be done with it. Alright, now we're at the end of day 37 of our house renovation. And in the kitchen, I got fucking Hardi board going down every fucking where. There's a staggered joint. And you fucking screw it down in there. Little fucking seams. You got the last little bit. It all turn around and go inside that pantry right there. Screw it down. And we picked cold steel tile, 130 of them, cold steel tile. That's what it looks like. So there's their towel. Here's their grout. I'm gonna go with a DeLorean gray grout, sanded. And that's the pantry door right there. I'm gonna cut that off. I've already marked on the bottom of it. We're gonna cut that off. The bathroom door, that was cut off. So we can open and close that bathroom now. This shit in private. And this is what it looks like on the inside of the bathroom with the door shut. You got air conditioning, tub, towel, all that shit. Not a whole lot more left to do inside, but refinish the floors. And some blinds, put up 2 towel racks in the bathroom, and a toilet paper holder, and a shower rod. And get a couple of door stops to replace the temporary ones we put in, so that when you open the door up, you don't fucking put a hole in the wall like the way it was. And clean that refrigerator up, put it back, repurpose and reuse that dishwasher. And that's pretty much it. You got to sand that spot down right there. And, reglaze that with another little coat of mud. And I'm gonna clean this room up in here. This has been the cut room. And you fix that little place right underneath the window where it was leaking. And we got to come in here and paint the baseboards. And after the floors are sanded down, the only thing left to do then on the inside, at that point, we'll be able to come in here and put down some shoe molding, red oak shoe molding. So that's where we're at the end of day 37. Eric's got the yard cleaned up. Got all this shit cleaned up. You're gonna take a fucking concrete saw and cut this off and make forms using the old, as much of the old concrete as possible. And then to get a concrete truck in here from Branscomb's and pour all new concrete driveway. It's not gonna put rocks now. Also, the yard's pretty much cleaned up. That back corner back there is cleaned out. It's got a little bit more shit to the left. All that shit that was on that fucking little shed back there, that's all cleaned up now. Most all the vines and everything are cleaned up on that shit. In between the garage. So, besides some wood rot and fixing the outside, painting shit, reglazing the windows and stuff like that on the outside, and fixing the garage and replacing a couple of windows, will be done here. And off to the next project. Also, I got to come in here, in this room, and cut a hole in the wall right there so that I can make a vent for a dryer. And I need to run some electrical out here for the dryer and put an outlet in the ceiling in the living room so I can put that ceiling fan in I got. Also, I've decided I'm not going to use that stainless steel hood vent for the oven, but instead I'm going to install a microwave right there. So I'll take this wire right here, run it back up through the wall into the back of the cabinet, put an outlet back there up inside the cabinet to plug the microwave in. We drill a hole in the bottom of the cabinet and run the plug up through the bottom and plug the microwave in, because there's not a lot of counter space to be sitting in a microwave. So that's what we're going to do. And everything is all put in at shelf price. Everything is level from cabinet to cabinet, sturdy. Got to get a couple of more door pulls, handles. A little short on those. So that's where we're at the end of day 37. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit the like button and the notification bell. And subscribe to the channel. If you got any questions, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll get back with you personally to answer your question. You can also ask questions at peninsulaimp@gmail.com. That's in the channel description. So that's about it. Have a good day with Ursh. People say we're going to make Ursh go viral and shit. Let's get a look at what he's got on his fucking head real quick. He got some fucking skeletal with the Fu Manchu. Oh, you got this. You got your glasses over a little bit to the other side. They crooked. Well, the idea is that he put the fucking glasses on the back of his head that look like the Skeletor's got the fucking glasses on and shit. The little piece of hair there, Fu Manchu. Is that what you call it? Fu Manchu?
Fu Manchu.
Fu Manchu. You got fucking